there, little superstars! Welcome to Bright Star Education. I am so happy to see you. Are you ready for a big adventure today?
So, get your big smiles ready and let's start our journey. We are going to explore the alphabet and learn 40 amazing new words together. That's right, 40 cool words with beautiful pictures just for you. It's going to be so much fun learning all these words. Are you ready?
N is for nap. N-A-P, nap.
After playing all day, it's time for a short nap. Close your eyes and rest a little.
N is for noon. N-O-O-N, noon. Noon is 12 o'clock in the middle of the day. It's time for a yummy lunch. N is for navy. N-A-V-Y, navy. Navy is a very dark blue color, like the deep ocean. It looks very strong and cool.
N is for needle. N-E-E-D-L-E, needle.
A needle and thread are used to sew clothes. Be careful, a needle is very sharp.
N is for newt. N-E-W-T, newt. A newt is a tiny animal, looks like a lizard. It loves to live near water. N is for nine. N-I-N-E, nine. Number 9 comes after 8. Can you count 9 fingers? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. N is for north. N-O-R-T-H, north. North is a direction on a map. The compass needle always points to the north.
N is for notebook. N-O-T-E-B-O-O-K, notebook. Use your notebook to draw pictures and write your name. It's full of clean pages.
N is for nail. N-A-I-L, nail. We use a hammer and nails to build things like birdhouses. Bang, bang, bang. N is for noodles. N-O-O-D-L-E-S, noodles. Long, wiggly noodles are so much fun to eat. Be careful, they are very hot.
Hey, are you having fun? Stop right now and click that subscribe button to become a bright star! Yay!
N is for newspaper. N-E-W-S-P-A-P-E-R, newspaper. A newspaper tells us all the news from around the world. People read it in the morning.
N is for necklace. N-E-C-K-L-A-C-E, necklace. A necklace is a pretty piece of jewelry worn around the neck. It looks so sparkly. N is for net. N-E-T, net. We use a net to catch butterflies or fish. Swish, swish goes the net.
N is for no. N-O, no. Sometimes we have to say no. It's important to say no when we don't like something.
N is for news. N-E-W-S, news.
The news tells us what is happening in the world today. Let's listen to the news.
N is for numbers. N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Counting numbers is so much fun. Let's count together.
N is for new. N-E-W, new. Something new is shiny and clean. Look at this brand new toy. It's so exciting. N is for nickel. N-I-C-K-E-L, nickel. A nickel is a silver coin. It is worth 5 cents. Can you hear it jingle? N is for nightgown. N-I-G-H-T-G-O-W-N, nightgown. We wear a comfy nightgown when we go to sleep. It feels so soft and warm.
Hey, are you having fun? Stop right now and click that subscribe button to become a bright star! Yay!
N is for nest. N-E-S-T, nest.
A little bird built a cozy nest in the tree. It's a safe home for the eggs.
N is for ninja. N-I-N-J-A, ninja.
A ninja is very fast and quiet. Look at those amazing ninja moves. Hiya! N is for noise. N-O-I-S-E, noise.
Bang, a drum makes a loud noise. Boom, boom, boom. Can you make some noise?
N is for near. N-E-A-R, near. When something is close to you, we say it is near. Look how near the ball is.
N is for night. N-I-G-H-T, night.
The sun has gone down and the stars are out. It's time to sleep. Good night.
N is for name. N-A-M-E, name. Everyone has to assess my name. What is your name? Comment on it. It's wonderful to meet you. N is for narrow. N-A-R-R-O-W, narrow. When a space is very thin and tight, we call it narrow. Watch your step on the narrow path. N is for North Pole. N-O-R-T-H-P-O-L-E, North Pole. The North Pole is at the very top of the world. It is very cold and full of ice.
N is for nurse. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. A nurse helps us feel better when we are sick. They are very kind and helpful.
There, that should help. N is for November. N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R, November. November is a month in autumn. The leaves turn brown and fall from the trees. N is for nylon. N-Y-L-O-N, nylon. Nylon is a strong material used to make umbrellas and bags. It keeps us dry in the rain.
Hey, are you having fun? Stop right now and click that subscribe button to become a bright star. Yay!
N is for note. N-O-T-E, note. We write a short note to remember something important. Here is a happy note for you.
N is for nose. N-O-S-E, nose. You use your nose to smell flowers and breathe. Can you wiggle your nose?
N is for notebook. N-O-T-E-B-O-O-K, notebook. Write down your favorite things in your notebook. It's great for learning. N is for nutcracker. N-U-T-C-R-A-C-K-E-R, nutcracker. A nutcracker is used to crack open hats. It looks like a brave soldier. N is for napkin. N-A-P-K-I-N, napkin. Use a napkin to wipe your face after eating. It keeps you nice and clean. N is for neck. N-E-C-K, neck.
A giraffe has a very long neck to reach the tall trees. Your neck helps you turn your head.
N is for nectar. N-E-C-T-A-R, nectar. Bees collect sweet nectar from flowers to make yummy honey. It's very, very sweet. N is for nightlight. N-I-G-H-T-L-I-G-H-T, nightlight. A nightlight glows softly in the dark, helps us feel safe and cozy while we sleep. N is for nibble. N-I-B-B-L-E, nibble. N is for net. N-E-T, net. The basketball goes through the net. Swoosh! You made a great shot.
N is for nut.
N-U-T, nut.
Nuts are a healthy and crunchy snack. Squirrels love to collect them for winter.
Wow, you did it, superstars! You just learned 40 amazing new words with me today. You are so smart. If you loved our journey, please click the subscribe button so we can learn even more together every day.
Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share the fun with all your friends too. Thank you!
Thank you for watching Bright Star Education. I am so happy to be your learning friend. You are the best!
It's time to go now, but I'll see you very soon in our next adventure. Bye-bye! Keep smiling! See you soon!